Hello Mad Makers! Today I'm going to show you how to draw this silly little alligator. I am using a really great book by Ed Emberley. He shows you how to draw all sorts of different animals in this book. And I'm going to show you step by step in this video how you can draw this alligator. Let's get started. So you're going to need a piece of paper. You might want a pencil, or if you just want to use markers. Today I'm going to use a green marker, a black marker, and an orange marker. All right, here we go. So our first step is to get our green marker ready. And we are going to draw our alligator this way on our paper so we have room because it's a long alligator. So our first step is to draw a rectangle shape. And then we're going to make a dot over here, just a little dot. And we're going to start at that dot and go to the corner of my rectangle. Then I'm going to come down to this dot again and go to the other corner. Now I'm going to make a dot out here and a dot out here. And I am going to start at this corner and go to this dot. Okay, now I'm going to make a dot just right there, a little more than halfway. And starting at that dot, I'm going to draw to that dot. Then I'm going to start at this corner here, draw to that dot. I'm going to start at that corner of that triangle, and I'm going to draw to that dot. All right. Next, I'm going to draw 4 little triangles at the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of more like a V shape, but we're basically making little triangles. Now we're going to color everything in. So I'm going to carefully color in all my alligator. All right, now we're gonna do a little half circle up here and a little half circle next to it. Then up on the front here, we're gonna do a little circle and then just a littler circle right next to it. We are going to use our green marker to make 3 little lines for our alligator feet. All right, now we're going to switch over to our orange marker. And we are going to put some circles in the top of these half circles. Then we're going to go back and add some rectangle shapes on top of our alligator to give it more alligator look. And your rectangles can be wherever you want them to be. They can be whatever color you want them to be. All right, that looks good. Now our last step is to get our black marker, and we're gonna add a dot and a dot for the eyes, and now we're gonna add some teeth. So we're going to make some skinny triangles, and I'm leaving gaps in between. And let's put one all the way out here. Now I'm going to go back on the bottom, make some other triangles or V shapes for teeth. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed making this cute little alligator today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come.